What is the FCQ course audit? Generally, the course audit refers to the process of scheduling, reviewing, and updating which classes receive FCQs and when they will be administered. This includes the course audit files and the course audit window. The course audit files are Excel spreadsheets generated by the FCQ program for reviewing your department's course and instructor FCQ information. We run an initial audit prior to the beginning of each semester and update the audit files each Friday throughout the semester. The course audit window is a 3-week period during which we run daily updates of the course audit files. We strongly encourage folks to review how their classes are set up during this window. What information is included in the course audit files? The audit files reflect the course and instructor information that your department has already entered into CU-SYS Campus Solutions. The advantage of using the course audit files is that they organize the information in a single document so that it's easier to review. You can see all of your classes at once and get an overview of what the semester is looking like within your department. Additionally, we add 3 columns with information based on the CU-SYS data. How to review your course audit file. First step is to go to our website, colorado.edu/FCQ, and click on the Course Audit tab from the main menu. Then select View or Download Course Audit Files. This takes you to a OneDrive folder containing all the audit files. The files are organized by individual department and campus. You can view online or download the files for your records. Keep in mind that any changes you need to make do not get made on the audit file itself. The audit file is simply a reflection of what's in CU-SYS. Making edits on the audit file won't change anything. Any changes to the spreadsheet will be overwritten the next time we update the audit files. How to review the audit files. Use filters to quickly search for courses and instructors. There are 23 columns, and that can be overwhelming if you're not familiar with the codes and abbreviations. Don't worry too much about that. There are only 6 columns you need to focus on. Columns A through C, which are generated by our office, and columns I through K, which are pulled from CU-SYS. If column A reads yes, that course section and instructor pairing will receive FCQs. And if no, they won't. Column B will be empty if column A reads yes. If no, column B will give the reason why the course section and instructor pairing is not getting FCQs. In some cases, changes can be made in CU-SYS to activate or deactivate evaluations. Column C shows the dates when FCQs will be administered. If a class is not getting FCQs, this column will be blank. Columns I through K show the instructor information. Column I has the instructor name, column J shows the status of the print checkbox, and column K shows the instructor role, primary, secondary, or teaching assistant. If column I is blank, FCQs will not be generated. An instructor name is required for a class to be evaluated. If column J equals N, the class or instructor will not get FCQs no matter what. If column J equals Y, then FCQs are requested. It's important to understand that having the print box checked is necessary to get FCQs, but a checked print box on its own doesn't guarantee they will be delivered. The class must also meet other eligibility requirements, such as minimum enrollment and class type. For the majority of classes, instructor role won't matter, at least in regards to the FCQ. There are a few situations where there are role-specific items, such as the CU Anschutz core questions and a handful of custom questions for classes at CU Boulder and CU Denver. Making edits. If all of your course information is correct, you don't need to do anything. Your classes will run as listed in the audit. However, if you do need to make an update in CU SYS, you'll need write access to CU SYS Campus Solutions. Typically, the department's curriculum manager is the only person with this level of permissions. If you don't have editing capabilities, you'll have to work with your curriculum manager to make the edits for you. Edits are made by going to CU SYS, navigating to schedule class meetings, and searching for your course. Once you found it, click on the Meetings tab and look for the box labeled Instructors for Meeting Pattern. You'll see instructor names and IDs, which we've blocked out. You'll also see the instructor role and the print box. Common challenges. Some of the common challenges that we encounter are no instructor or a wrong instructor listed for a class. There must be an instructor assigned to a class for an FCQ to be generated. It's easy to catch when there is no instructor listed. Column A of the course audit will read no, and column I will be blank. It is far more difficult to notice when a wrong instructor is listed, especially if the other class information is correct. This is an error that can have a significant impact on FCQs, as it can be confusing for the students and produce less reliable survey results. If there is an instructor change prior to an administration, it will most likely get picked up in the course audit, but please review the audit to confirm. If there is an instructor change while an FCQ administration is in progress, please let us know immediately. At that point, options are limited and not ideal, but at least the error can be addressed. Instructors not included in all meeting dates. When a class has multiple meeting patterns, it's possible that an instructor won't be listed for each of them. We have developed some code to account for this and adjust the dates accordingly, but please keep in mind that this is a guardrail, not a guarantee. If you have a class or classes with multiple meeting dates, please review the course audit closely to ensure that all instructors are included and that the administration dates are correct. Classes with non-traditional meeting patterns. These are classes where the actual end date of a class does not match the end date in CU SYS. We use the CU SYS end date to assign a class to an FCQ window, so if there is a disparity between the CU SYS end date and the actual last day of class, please let me know. There isn't a way for us to tell otherwise, and it's something that needs to be fixed manually. Resources. For more information about the course audit and the FCQs, please use the resources provided on our website, www.colorado.edu/FCQ. Thank you.